Alrighty, so let's just say you got added to a job and a bunch of contact info comes in looking like this. Random bunch of contact info, different formats, different structure, blah, blah, blah. And what you need to do is it needs to end up looking like this. Nice, cleaned up, consistently formatted, and ready to drop straight into whatever crew list you happen to be using. Let me show you how you can get from this nonsense to this nicer looking nonsense using Text Expander and AI in under 30 seconds, no matter the size of the data. All right, so this video actually piggybacks on one of my prior videos that covers building my master crew database and how I use it to populate crew lists. It's not essential for this, but if you do want to take a look at that video, it does have some helpful context. So you can click on the link right here and go check the video out. So contact info comes in from everywhere. It will come in via texts. It will come in via emails. Sometimes you'll have to copy paste it off someone else's call sheet or crew list, but it's usually never in a consistent format every time. For example, you'll get somebody who, kind of sends this block format with position, name, phone number, email. Sometimes you'll get a straight line like this with separators. Sometimes you'll get somebody who just does it in a weird order for some reason. Like there's no consistent way that it kind of comes through. And for somebody like me who kind of likes consistency and streamlining this whole process, I wanted to be able to take all of this information and be able to clean it up, put it into my database, and move on with my day as fast as possible. So I have a prompt that handles all of it in one shot to make it super easy to copy into my database, where all I have to do is highlight this right here. I can highlight the whole email. I will copy the information, and then I will fire my Text Expander snippet, which I have stored in a keyboard shortcut. And then both the prompt and contact info that needs reformatting will be pasted instantly into my AI agent and ready to process. So let's check out what's going on underneath the hood. This is Text Expander, which is basically just a platform that allows you to store what are called snippets of text into shortcuts that you can call upon anytime you need them. It can be as simple as your name or the day's date, or something as complex as a thorough prompt. So we have an extract and reformat kind of prompt. These two words are doing the heavy lifting. So what it means is it's going to pull the contact info out of anything, regardless of how it's structured. And then reformatting, it means that it will output everything consistently so that it pastes cleanly into Google Sheets. So in this case, we've got the field order, which is my role or position, the name, the phone number, and the email. The phone numbers will come out in my preferred format. I have no header row, no extra text, just the data that I want returned. And then up here, I have it set to export as a TSV format because that's what Google Sheets primarily uses. But I also have the CSV, the comma separated version, in case I ever need to use it for something else. And then one other thing worth pointing out in this is you can see there's this little bubble that says clipboard. Now what that is a Text Expander keyboard macro. And this is what tells Text Expander to use whatever is currently on my clipboard, the last thing that I copied, which in this case would be this email. So the moment I trigger it, the prompt right here and the contact info that I've copied will arrive together in one shot. So let's actually do a demo on this. We're going to go back to our original email. And this block of contacts is in a bunch of different formats. It's in a variety that might land in your inbox. In real life, somebody would probably be a little bit more consistent, but I'm showing the range here just to demonstrate what this prompt can handle. I'm going to copy this whole thing, which even includes like my email, my time sent, all this other information. It's not going to matter. Then we are going to go to Claude, click into here. We're going to bring up Text Expander, back office Bandit, crew info reformat database, and press enter. It's going to fire. We can see it's pasted everything that we had highlighted from the email, including my email and the time that it was sent. But it also has the initial prompt in here. One note, I did have to adjust one thing in this prompt, which was provide separate artifacts for each and do not return them in the same response to get a proper TSV separation. And then we will fire this. So now it's going to generate a TSV crew contact artifact for us, as opposed to just traditional text, which is what had happened the first time I did this. It's going to generate that information. We're going to go into here. We're going to click copy. We'll go back to our crew database, click in the database, go to the most recent line, starting with the crew position, and we will paste it. And there it is. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of data, which is 36 individual pieces of information that we probably would have had to manually insert and reformat ourselves. And oh yeah, it looks like I had, my database was actually set to hyphens, but I have periods, but that'll be easy to modify in the template. So we'll change this to hyphens. There we go. But yeah, so now we have, again, clean, consistent formatting throughout every row. Now here's where it gets interesting. I wanted to test just how far I could push a prompt that was this simple. So I threw something at it that I imagined some sort of disorganized lunatic might actually send me. And it's an email where the contact info isn't even a list at all. It's just a chaotic wall of text with everything buried within it. So let's highlight this whole thing. We're going to go back to Claude. We will open a new prompt and we will put BOB crew info reformat database information. I adjusted it so it's now hyphens instead of periods. And we will fire this and see what happens. Once again, generating TSV. And looks like we got everybody. 4 contacts. Let's copy that, bring it over, and make sure it works in our database. We'll go over here and paste, and it's perfect. It found every name, every number, email, and pulled them straight out of the chaos and formatted them cleanly. So that is the extract portion of the prompt that's really earning its keep. But yeah, no matter how the info comes in, this really simple but powerful prompt will get it cleaned and into your database fast, consistently formatted, and on with your life. So the prompt link is in the description. You can copy it into Text Expander, swap in whatever fields you want to have in there. Like, I don't know, you could have food preferences. You could have their social security number for all I care. But yeah, once you get it in there, you're good to go.